Welcome you in the bio class. Today I am going to explain you monoclonal antibodies. You know what are antibodies? Antibodies are immunological agent. Antibodies are used in medicine. Antibodies develop resistance capacity in our body against the disease. They destroy the antigens and pathogenic germs. Antibodies are produced in the body cells. In artificial passive acquired immunity, organisms are getting antibodies from outside sources. The antibodies which organisms are getting from outside sources, they are obtained from other organisms. So that antibodies are injected into the blood of another individuals or human beings. The antibodies are obtained by sacrificing animal after hyper immunizing them. The antibodies which are obtained after sacrificing animal or by sacrificing animal after hyper immunization, that antibodies are heterogeneous. So you have to see antibodies are two types. One is heterogeneous, other is homogeneous. These heterogeneous antibodies obtained from animals, and a large variety of antibodies are present in them. So when a large variety of antibodies are present, so we cannot use that for a specific purpose. Homogeneous antibodies are monoclonal antibodies, and these antibodies have the desired specificity and can be used for diagnosis and screening with ease and certainty. These heterogeneous antibodies, in that a large varieties of antibodies are produced. So these antibodies cannot be used for desired and specific purpose. But in homogeneous antibodies, it is only one type of antibodies. Homogeneous antibodies are monoclonal antibodies. Monoclonal. So these antibodies have desires and specificity and can be used for diagnosis and screening with ease and certainty. Monoclonal antibodies are produced in specialized cell. The specialized cell in which monoclonal antibodies are produced, that cells are called hybridoma. Hybridoma. These hybridoma cells are produced by a technique, and that technique is known as hybridoma technology. Hybridoma technology. Hybridoma cells are produced by the fusion of antibody producing lymphocyte cells. Lymphocyte cells and tumor producing myeloma cell. So antibodies producing lymphocyte and tumor producing myeloma cells fuse together, and after the fusion, which cell is produced? That is the hybrid cell. That hybrid cell is called hybridoma. Hybridoma. The fused hybrid cells have the antibody producing capability and have ability to grow continuously like malignant cancer cells. Hybridoma cells are recultured for the production of antibodies. So hybridoma cells recultured and antibodies are produced. These hybridoma cells produce antibodies, and we can get a large quantity of antibodies by using hybridoma technology. These antibodies are used for treating infectious disease and other purpose. They are used to detect the hormones in urine test. As in the pregnancy test, urine is tested. If hormone is present, then female is pregnant. And monoclonal antibodies are used to detect drugs in urine. It is also used in detecting human immunodeficiency virus. So, children, I told what is hybridoma and what are monoclonal antibodies. Once more you see this hybridoma technology. So, in this there is a mice cell, and mice cell is in the mice the partially purified enzyme is injected. Antibody producing spleen cells will produce lymphocytes. That lymphocytes fuse with the tumor producing myeloma cells. After the fusion, which cell is produced? That is hybridoma cell. Now this hybridoma cell recultured in a culture medium, and hybridoma cells have the ability to produce a large number of cells like the tumor producing myeloma cells, and it has the capability of producing antibodies like the lymphocyte cells. So their number of hybridoma cells will increase. A large number of cells are produced in the culture medium, and they produce monoclonal antibodies. So in this way, we can get a specific variety, desired and specific antibodies. So that antibodies are homogeneous, and that is monoclonal antibodies.